Hello everybody, welcome to the next video of A plus calculus, and in this video we're going to do a problem on subtraction of two complex numbers in the complex plane. So in my previous video I talked about how to subtract two complex numbers in the complex plane. And we are going to be using parallelogram rule only that we used while doing addition. So let's get started, and if you haven't watched the video on subtraction of two complex numbers in the complex plane, then you can watch it by clicking on the I button above, and I've also pasted its link in the description box. So what do we have here? So here we have two complex numbers W and Z, as you can see in the purple dot, and we want to find out what will be the value of Z minus W without doing the actual calculation. Okay. So, as you all know that in order to find out Z minus W, I can write this as Z plus negative of W. Okay. So, what we're going to do is here we're going to plot the vectors Z and W and then negative W. Okay. So, let's do that. Okay. So, I'm going to connect my complex number Z with the origin. So this is the vector Z. Then I'm going to connect my complex number W with the origin. So this is W. But I want to find out Z minus W. So I want to find out Z plus negative of W. So instead of plotting W, I'm going to plot negative of W. And negative of W is nothing but W in the opposite direction. So the direction of W is this. So direction of negative W is going to be in the opposite direction. So this is negative 3 and 6i. So positive 3 and 6i. Its magnitude will be exactly same. It's just that its direction will reverse this time. Now we have, if you see carefully, I can see a parallelogram coming up with three of its vertices. This is the vertex 0 or origin. This is the second vertex Z, this one. And then I have the third vertex, which is negative W. Okay. And now if I complete the parallelogram over here, then I'll get the third vertex, and that vertex is going to represent Z plus negative of W. So let's do that. I'm going to change the color to red. So now I have successfully completed my parallelogram, and I have the this is the diagonal, one of the diagonals. Okay, and it has this one, this has the vertex Z plus negative W, and this complex number is negative 2 minus 6i, negative 2 minus 6i. Now let's just verify our answer. Okay, so we originally had Z as negative 5 0 plus 0i because it's on the real axis, and our W was, this is negative 3 plus 6i. So let's subtract. So we want to find out Z minus W. So let's subtract these two. So this will become positive, this will become negative. So negative 5 plus 3, that is negative 2, and the 0 minus 6i, that is minus 6i. So by algebraically also we're getting negative 2 minus 6i, and on graph also we got, on the complex plane also we got negative 2 minus 6i.